The Texas Hammer. It's a famous legal brand known all over the state where it was born for justice, professionalism, and integrity. They are the principles that guide Jim Adler and his lawyers in their fight for victims.
Everybody that works for my clients, I want them to be aggressive and to get after it and to win for the client.
And they have, racking up legal victories for more than 30 years for clients injured by others in accidents of all kinds, winning settlements after loved ones have been killed, securing funds to take care of injured clients who cannot work, paying doctor bills for the disfigured and the disabled.
It makes me sad, but more than that, it makes me mad when some negligent person is speeding or driving drunk or doing things to hurt people that they don't even care about.
It's a standard of professional care for victims that Jim Adler demands of every attorney in his law firm.
The attorneys that work for me are believers. They believe in the rights of accident victims to be fully and well compensated for their injuries. They're courageous. They're fighters. When they go to court, they're not afraid of the insurance company attorney or the big company attorney. And they're going to do whatever it takes.
Jim S. Adler and Associates has 2 offices in Houston, one in San Antonio and another in Dallas. The firm handles accidents of all kinds, from car crashes, plant explosions, and construction accidents to accidents with 18-wheelers, offshore on oil rigs and ships, and this especially dangerous all-terrain vehicle. But Adler's extensive expertise is not limited to these accidents. He helps clients who have suffered because of negligent companies or individuals.
If you were to go on our website and look at our 50 or 60 areas of practice, you'd see that we're well equipped on account of our 12 lawyers and our staff of over 100 people to handle any kind of injury case that comes along.
They include cases that lawyers call mass torts, in which victims are injured or killed by defective medical devices, prescription drugs, or other products that turn out to be dangerous.
A mass tort is a case where thousands, tens of thousands, maybe even millions of people have been injured by some dangerous product.
Mass tort cases have made national headlines. The post-surgical blood thinner heparin that injured and killed thousands before the Food and Drug Administration pulled it off the market after a national television expose. A pain pump that ended up destroying shoulder joints after surgery to repair them. The deadly salmonella bacteria in peanut butter products that killed 9 people in America by early 2009 and sent scores more to the hospital. Ask Jim Adler why the Food and Drug Administration has failed to protect Americans. It's an answer this personal injury lawyer knows all too well.
Number 1, the FDA is underfunded. Number 2, the FDA is understaffed. Number 3, the FDA relies on drug studies that are prepared by the very companies that are applying to the FDA for drug approval.
And that, Adler says, is part of the just war that he and his lawyers fight every day, negotiating settlements for victims or fighting in courtrooms to get them the compensation they deserve.
The war that goes on is between injury victims and big insurance and big corporations and big industrial companies, big manufacturers, big refineries, and big property owners. So on the one side of the war is the injury victim who is fighting for their very life against a big company that wants to give them nothing.
Jim Adler's goal for clients never changes. He takes it to heart and to court.
I'm in it to win it for you.